Hello. All right. So a while back, I was not up on this stage, but up on the Rome stage, talking about how we wanted to have unlimited downloads. So an unlimited download, um, you just wanted to get all of the data. Unfortunately, sometimes getting all of the data takes a long time, and we didn't actually fix the problem associated with what happens if the query takes a long time. So a lot of the times you download all the data, and before it would fail, and then afterwards it would continue to fail because it took too long and then would fail. So what Meredith and I worked on was kind of hooking up the pieces to some of the API things that I had built in the past that might let a really, really long download succeed. I'm not going to make you wait for a really, really long download, so I'm going to do a relatively quick one here. But the first thing was that we wanted to make these downloads succeed, which I can start here and I'll say download. But what's interesting is that before, what would happen is that you'd click on this thing and it'd download and nothing would happen. You just sit there and like, did my download fail? Is anything going on? We didn't actually hook up all the pieces yet, but this new thing that Meredith added here, which allows us to see that there is a download in progress. And if you click on it, it says there's a download currently in progress. You probably don't want to kick another one off. And we see now my download completed. I can close this and we see that now it's good. So there's a little bit of feedback now on actually your downloads happening. And it also kind of gives us some hooks where we didn't do it quite yet to sort of present errors in better fashion so that you can say, oh, my download failed because the query timed out in the database or failed for X and Y and Z reason, rather than just, the way it would show up for a little while is you'd have a little tiny snippet in the bottom corner of your screen that would say it failed, and then the page would refresh, and then you just lose it. So definitely more to come there, but should allow for us to have large, long downloads.
Yeah.